Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So it's been so long I have not made a video for you guys on XRP. I think it's because not many people are into crypto right now towards the end of the year because it's Happy New Year, or it's either you guys want to cash it out or you guys don't want to play crypto anymore, just waiting for the real dip. So basically for XRP, I usually put this as a guide, which is XRP over BTC, which you guys can see here. The last time it pumped all the way here was in April. It's a very major pump all the way to $1.92 or $1.95 depending on your exchange. So this is a very good guide for it. So from April towards now, which is November, which is quite a long month, just to see these two patterns forming, even four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 patterns forming. Took them around 4 minus 11. 7 months to get here. So you guys can see here, this is a very good signal to buy in for XRP. All right, you are looking at this in a way. Oh shoot, should I buy now? Is it gonna go down? Well, it can happen, but with XRP BTC, you can buy here as a support line. You guys can see the support line was going on since then, so it's a good time to buy because it's gonna form this same thing. And it's gonna go down again like this and form another smaller bottom, then this compression, boom, like that. Or it could go sideways. See this pump, it can go down just like here and go all the way down, even further down, or even here, even itself. But either way guys, we are towards the end of the month, and the next month is coming up, which is in December, which is a pump month. Normally see here, November is pump 21st, weirdly, then the dump is on the 24th. Wow. And then there's a pump in January. So you can see the December is going to be like a dip, then towards the end of the next year is pump. But since we are having November dump, we might get a December pump, you know. But look back at the XRP, which I have drawn here, which is the daily chart. Okay, let's see, what month was this? This was in 9 December. It's a pump. 12 December. Then you can see here is 4th April. 4th April pump. How about here? This is 2nd February. Let's go towards the back. So here is 23rd December. It's a dump towards Christmas. This is 23rd November's pump. And the dump is starting on the 18th of December. So 20th of December itself is dumping. So November should be a pump for XRP, but you guys can see here December is a pump here in 2017. So since we are having a dump in November, there's a possibility for it to recover for a December pump. So it's like always 50-50 guys. But I already drawn a few drawings here of a possibility of prices, so you guys can note it down. It's just still within the symmetrical triangle prices, as you guys can see. It's still within a very safe prices. So there's a lot of fake outs and breakouts right now. At the same time, we do have COVID, the new variant coming up. It is affect the economy in a way, like a Black Friday and a Monday sale. So we're gonna have two instances of already happened, one which is the Black Friday, and coming up is tomorrow, which is on the 29th. So 29 is sort of like a starting of the week. And normally we think of like recovery. Oh, it's gonna go 29. Is it gonna pump? Because we've been dumping since 10th of November. Been dumping all the way down here. Is it gonna recover? Yes and no. You guys can see here, this line here we touch is right here. So there's a possibility for it to touch this point, and this is a support line. So that's why 62 cents is very likely for it to happen. Or even here, 82 cents or 87. But either way guys, I already bought at 90 cents here, and I'm gonna buy again right here. If it goes down even lower, I'm buying at 62 cents. That's my strategy, because I already bought a lot here, and even a fake breakout right here twice guys. But I already bought a few here as well. So it's kind of like, I don't care whether it's explosive upwards, I'm gonna still make profit. If it go downwards, I keep on buying. That's the strategy of crypto. If anything happens this way, it's a good buy. If it goes down here as well, it's a good buy around the support area. So take note on these prices. And this is another drawing of possibility it can happen. It's gonna create these kind of patterns in a way of like a inverse head and shoulder. I think it's gonna go for 77 cents, and then it will bounce off from here, and then it just nicely support here. So you guys can see here the numbers of the month of 27 November, 27 October, 28 November, September, 26 of August is always a dump. And this is like no-brainer why you're not buying at the dump site, and then you'll be regretting of not buying it. So that's why there's a possibility for it to even do this by tomorrow, like here, and then shows up like this. It can happen, guys. So it's not like always 100%. Like you think it's gonna go down even further. It can happen. That's lucky for you. I'm praying for it to go down further, for you to buy at this bottom, and then I'm gonna be a holder for a few weeks or even months. Then by the time it hits another time $1, I'm gonna sell it off. So it's always like a win and a win situation. Actually, there's no losing of investing here, because it's all about concept and understanding. But let's say if you go buy like Matic and Mina, like let's say you go buy Mana, right, and you don't even know what's the support line, because Solana here, let's go to Solana. Where is Solana? Okay, Solana, it went out from the support line from here. This one, I'm gonna make it thick for you guys. Yeah, this thick yellow line, it went out and then went back in, and after that it went out. So it's like uncertain. But XRP is 100% easy to read, because if you just Google crypto psychology, it's like, yeah, there's gonna be up and down, but within the range of $1, which is really, really safe. Because you're playing with $1. If you're playing like with Mana, it's already like expensive, right? $4.6 and so on. So it's kind of like scary if you to break down even further. Just like Shiba all the way down here, and then went down here, and then you're just gonna wait for it to pump this way. Right now we're hoping for it to perform this. Wow, that big. But we don't know what's gonna happen to Shiba. It might gonna break down even, because it's a meme coin. But with community, you don't know, guys. Anything can happen in crypto. And Sand is retracement, and a lot of CRO, guys. CRO is a very good coin to buy in because of the publicity. But normally people buy at 0.5 and 0.382, then it'll be a good buy. But if you buy at the red zone, also is a very good price. But let's go focus back to XRP. Okay, XRP here. Anything can happen. It can be these two lines I drawn earlier, these thin lines. It can happen this way, because the support line here fits in right here, this bottom of the support, and this. So I don't mind buying at 82 cents, because I'm going to be a holder towards the end of the day. If it happens at 62 or even 50 cents, I'm buying it more and more, because by experience, 0.5 was a regret of not buying more back then, and I was like, oh man, I didn't buy more. So whatever, guys, it's still within the symmetrical triangle for this, and it's still forming a very big cup and handle. I'm gonna draw it guys for you guys. Yep, like this. What's gonna happen? I don't know, guys. It's gonna explode that way and whatnot. I think that's about it for XRP. It's quite straightforward. I mean, even like for you guys starting to draw on technical analysis on TradingView or whatnot, or any exchanges, if you've been doing daily trading and then you're frustrated, and when you freak out, you didn't zoom out, I don't mind, guys. It's 70 cents or 6 cents. Either way, guys, I'm buying it. I'm going to buy large, guys, and I'm going to be happy about it. You're still within the red zone of the whole entirety of XRP if you're buying at this area, which is a good purchase. And the red zone for this one is 87 cents, which is alarming prices. And you guys can see it's just always bouncing on this red line. And at the same time, we do have a inclination of XRP prices at high lows, so there is still hope for you guys to get in a very good price for XRP. I don't think there is a problem at all investing in XRP at this low price point. And I always regret what I learned from. Anything is below $1, just buy the damn thing, man. Like seriously, XRP is easily can recover back to $1. That's the beauty part about it. And lastly, let's go to ADA. ADA and Matic is one thing. Okay, ADA is already went all the way down from this trend line. It's going cheap, guys. And ADA already like hit 3.2 recently twice, in 29 August and 22nd August twice, and went down. Matic is easily go to 2.2, and that's it, the maximum. And then last time it was 2.6 in April or May, around this time. But now it's struggling to maintain. Yeah, just take a look on that. Algorand, guys. Algorand. I love Algorand too sometimes, but you can see Algorand here at the exchange for KuCoin is at $3.3, but in Huobi it went all the way up to $5, guys. That was a surge, and then went back down again to 1.6. So XRP is very volatile and dangerous. For this drawing, okay, this XRP, you can see XRP here. Supposedly we should have recovered like on the blue line and pump all the way in 12 December or 11, just following like this pattern, this blue line, but it did not. It went all the way down. That's why it's a bit scary for it to go down even here, and then just prepare. But I already drawn a support line right here. That's a possibility for it to go even like this kind of possibility, guys. So I'm not scared at all on XRP. Even this yellow line is easy for me to read on XRP. The bottom here could be 75 cents. Still within. You can see that pattern here. It just supports here and here. So I'm not scared at all. I think the most it can go is like 70 cents to 77, 76 cents, and that's a good buy, because you can see is everything fits in nicely on here as well. So last but not least, what is the next drawing? Wait, yeah, I think that's the only thing that I want to cover with you guys on XRP. 77 cents, 85 cents is a good buy. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. Peace out, and all the best on buying and purchasing XRP. Future millionaires, guys. Peace.